Hello everyone, it's Christina and this is question 8 of our Edexcel 2018 paper 1 for A-level maths. So let's have a quick read through the question to see what we need to do. So we're given that the depth of water, d meters, in a harbour on a particular day is modelled by the following formula here. And T is the number of hours after midnight. So let's highlight some of this. A boat enters the harbour at 6:30 a.m. and it takes 2 hours to load its cargo. The boat requires the depth of water to be at least 3.8 meters before it can leave the harbour. Find the depth of the water in the harbour when the boat enters the harbour. Okay, so if the boat is entering the harbour at 6:30 a.m., we need to figure out how that translates to t, little t, which is the number of hours after midnight. So if it's 6:30 a.m., then for part A, t must be equal to 6.5 hours. That's after midnight, just so we're clear on that. And so we want the depth of the water when t is 6.5. And so all we need to do is substitute t equals 6.5 into our expression for the depth d up here. So that's 5 plus 2 sine of 30 times 6.5. And just be careful, this is in degrees. So you want to make sure your calculator is in degrees, in degree mode and not radians. Okay, so then just you can use your calculator to do that. So we're doing 30 times 6.5 plus 5. And so the depth is about 4.482, which is about 4.48 meters to 3 significant figures.